Hurstbridge Road, Diamond Creek. Just started already. And I'm standing far away from it. But I'm not gonna...
Come here. Look there, right?
No,
No, not there.
oh. Let's go away on that one. Nice. There's the Tropolis trains. The trains that I hate so much. Just literally. Okay. Yup, I heard an Tropolis horn. Literally in the Hurstbridge line, it uses Tropolis trains. I mean, why can't it use just Commons trains or Siemens trains? Here comes the train. It's heading to Flynn Street. Oh, I forgot. Buses are replacing trains on the Hurstbridge line, so there won't be any trains, even though there's a train right now. Okay, did I finish? Okay, now it's finished. Anyways, we're gonna do the tour now. First signal we have over here has it up like base. I wasn't calling haze mechanism. I want Geodies and Westinghouse cross arm, a straight crossbuck, a whispering gate with 3 aircraft gate lights. It's too loud in here and I can't be able to speak properly. Next signal we have over here has an unbucked base, a white strawberry signal sign, 2 Geodies and Westinghouse cross arm, a straight crosswalk. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about this signal, has a Type 3 junior signal E-bell. Okay. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.